No word if today's slick weather had anything to do with it, but a part of a train derailed as it was moving through the region this afternoon. Some residents along Spartan Circle in the Jetto section of Hazel Township began calling 911 when the freight train derailed just before 2:30 this afternoon. Fire officials say the Reading, Blue Mountain and Northern Railroad train was hauling coal. 3 cars loaded with about 336 tons of it apparently tipped onto one side as they passed some homes just yards away. Some trees and an embankment stopped those cars from completely tipping onto their sides and spilling their entire loads. Fortunately, nobody was hurt when the cars tipped. Area responders and crews from the railroad currently trying to figure out how to get those cars upright and get the train moving again. The rail officials say it could be days before that might happen.